Hi everyone, it's Amy. And one of the cool things I think that we do here at Haven is just really listen to all of you and the feedback that you give us. And one of the things that was coming up time and again was our customers in the evening when they were going to bed, they would start to turn their lights all the way down to kind of create a night light, if you will. So we thought, well, how can we make that better? How can we create a hack, if you will, to where you're not sitting there just dialing down the button. So what we've done is created a feature that all you have to do is go into the on button, hold it about 3 seconds, and it'll go into that night light mode. When you get up in the morning, you want to put your lights at a higher level, you simply have to go, press the on button, and you're good to go. The feature is also available in our color series. So you can see here, this is one of our colors. And you simply do the same thing, hold it for 3 seconds, it dims. When you come back in the morning, just pop it on. This feature is available in our product shipping now, and as always, please keep that feedback coming. It makes us think harder, work harder, and create a better product for all of you. So I will see you next time.